Woohoo! My name is Josh.
My name's Hamish.
Welcome to our super cool car modding extravaganza, where we mod cars, race cars, crash into cars, and
Ride
stuff
bikes
like that. And we also like motorbikes and doing stuff to them as well. So get excited for this first video where we put monsoons
on Airplex
onto the Triton.
Oh,
Let's see what's in the box. I don't know if he's seen them before, I haven't. They look like massive boomerangs.
custom made. These things are ordered to make.
That's cool.
Starts like a dream.
Great success! Alright, let's get these monsoons on.
Might need a towel first.
Oh yeah. I had a whole bunch of towels.
Already got the bonnet protectors on here. Not the bonnet.
Oh yeah, so we got the
Headlight protectors.
the headlight protectors.
Bonnet protectors. What am I on?
Nice, nice.
Sticks better. Last thing wants it falling off.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Just a little bit.
That was meant to happen.
Nice, don't forget to push it down.
Rough enough.
Yeah, and then you just do that 3 more times. Alright, there we go.
Monsoons are on.
Nice.
And looking hoary. As you can see,
Walk us through your mods, Hamish.
we've got a dirty 4G64.
Yeah, your torch is brighter.
It's a nice pod filter with an
Nice.
adapter where it really needs to be blown out. The custom Aurelia
yes.
oil oil cap. And the nice
Yeah,
air blocker.
Air blocking situation going on here.
Yeah,
And that's about it.
pretty much. As you can see, it's got a couple of dirty oil leaks. But that'll be fixed soon, hopefully. Oh,
Because we're turning it into an Evo drift truck.
no. As you can see by the state of me, I'm not made of money.
Yeah. Money don't grow on trees.
Yeah,
And that's that.
that's the monsoon's
now-
done.
That's the monsoon's done. Great success.
See you guys next time.
Look at him go. He's gone, boys.
Tom.
Yeah. It was fat.
That's a different guy, but
Yeah. Welcome back to another video. It's the same night, and it's the same two dudes,
yeah,
Josh
my
and
nose is
Hamish.
still dripping.
And tonight, right now, we're going to do, yeah, whatever time it is, we're going to do the drift steering wheel in the front wheel drive Corolla station wagon.
Woo!
Holy,
that was loud.
Alright, let's bring it in.
The spicy Corolla with its exhaust leak.
Hello there. Anyway, this is what we're dealing with. This is the old steering wheel. Very thin, very old, very disgusting.
Very ugly.
This is way cooler, as you can already see. Got this
We
nice
didn't video this,
here.
but
We put this in, and it works.
it is spicy.
Holy moly, that was terrifying. There. So that's cool.
This was the old crappy one.
Yeah, the factory Toyota one.
Yep.
With its classic cassette player.
Or if you got a small enough phone, you can stick that in there.
Yeah, it could be like a phone holding spot.
Yes.
Anyway, let's figure out how to get the steering wheel off.
I need to have a screwdriver.
Aren't the screwdrivers in the drawer? What do you need? Oh, like a stubby Phillips. Wait, Hamish. I have a cunning suggestion. My $10 socket set comes with screwdriver heads on the end of the ratchet. This should work. This should work.
Lefty Lucy!
Did it work?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Nice. So unplug that wire.
You want it to be centre, otherwise you won't get it back.
Yeah.
That way.
Doing some quick math.
Yeah.
Just like that.
Yep. Okay, so we want this would be straight. Otherwise, when you put the bosket on, it won't be straight.
Ah, yep.
Myself.
Just like that looks good.
Rough enough. On there a little bit.
So why do you keep that nut on there?
So you don't smash yourself in the face. Huzzah.
Nice. Goodbye. Crappy old steering wheel. Hello.
Wait, need the bosket.
Cool new one. So yeah, basically the rest of the installation is pretty simple. You just go like this. And you're good to go.
Looks rough enough to me.
So that's the bosket done.
Snap.
One eternity later.
That's clearly why they put that there.
Yeah.
Close enough, so we're just gonna
Yeah.
That's way better than what it was.
Yeah, I'd say. We did it. And it literally took,
After 15 years.
I think, like an hour and a half. Nice. Is it working?
It's turning.
We're turning.
Now just make sure I'm straight. Last thing needed a wheel on it anyway. Hey, close enough.
That was a mission and a half, but we got the steering wheel on and it all works.
At least my truck was easy.
And now I'm gonna go inside and eat my pie. It's all good in the hood.
I need coffee.